In a world where the tiniest particles can dictate the future, a silent revolution is taking place. Welcome to the heart of innovation, where every surface gleams with sterile precision, and every machine moves with the rhythm of perfection. Here, human ambition meets cutting-edge technology. And at the center of it all is Aurora, our most advanced AI. She is not just a machine, not merely an assistant. She is the mind sculpting the next era of quantum technology. Her mission is simple in words, but monumental in scope: to explore uncharted territories of precision, to orchestrate processes invisible to the human eye, and to ensure that the future we build today can withstand the test of time. The journey begins with lithography, a delicate dance of light and matter. Every circuit etched into the quantum chip must achieve near-perfect symmetry, with pathways free from decoherence and defects. A single misalignment could unravel months of meticulous work. But Aurora sees what humans cannot. Her cognitive networks calculate every movement, every pulse of energy, predicting outcomes and correcting errors before they manifest. Around her, industrial automation hums like a symphony. Magnetic actuators glide, pneumatic dispensers release viscous, silver-based epoxy with unerring precision, and robotic arms orchestrate movements that border on artistry. Precision is not just measured in microns, it is measured in moments of anticipation, in the flawless interplay of machine and mind. As the first die descends into place, ultrasonic energy forges the connection measured in millitons of force, creating intermetallic bonds that will define the chip's performance for decades. The loops of wire bend in perfect parabolic curves, minimizing crosstalk and inductance, maintaining signal integrity at high frequencies. Each bond is not only functional, but a testament to computational design, a blend of mathematics and material science in motion. But perfection is a living challenge. A microscopic deviation in alignment, almost imperceptible, triggers Aurora's intervention. Within milliseconds, she analyzes the anomaly, recalibrates the ultrasonic frequencies, and applies corrective actions with surgical accuracy. Self-correction is her second nature. Every adjustment is logged, every metric analyzed, and every bond verified. Around her, machines do not simply operate, forming an intricate network of synchronized efficiency that defines the very concept of Industry 5.0. The complexity increases with every layer, with every additional wire and component. Cognitive robotics ensure that collisions are avoided, alignments are precise, and no error escapes unnoticed. Batch efficiency is no longer a goal, it is a standard. High-speed transport pods shuttle substrates across the cleanroom, delivering materials just in time, ensuring that each quantum chip receives the attention it demands. Thermal management systems stabilize the environment. Cryogenic layers cool the processors to near absolute zero. And microsoldering sequences bond components with surgical precision. Aurora's intelligence extends beyond assembly. She simulates molecular structures, predicting stresses, and optimizing for longevity in ways classical computing could never achieve. Quantum entanglement becomes a tool, allowing her to model forces and interactions at an atomic scale. And yet, human oversight remains indispensable. Engineers monitor, validate, and collaborate, ensuring that autonomous precision aligns seamlessly with human judgment. This is not automation for replacement, it is augmentation, a synergy between cognition and computation. Every chip undergoes multi-sensory verification, tactile inspections, optical scans, and thermal imaging. No particle escapes scrutiny, no error slips through the network. Supply chain logistics are equally orchestrated. From raw silicon to final chip deployment, every movement is documented, every protocol validated. High-speed magnetic rails and autonomous drones deliver materials with ballet-like precision, connecting factory floors across continents. The finished quantum chips are compact miracles of power efficiency, reliability, and density, ready to transform healthcare, defense, computing, and beyond. Maintenance is not a chore, it is continuous optimization. Aurora supervises environmental controls, sterilization cycles, and system checks, ensuring that every stage is logged, every metric monitored. The cleanroom becomes a living organism, balancing airflow, temperature, and particulate levels to guarantee flawless operation. In this environment, precision is not just a goal. It is the very essence of creation. Industry 5.0 is not theoretical lie, is visible in every perfectly placed wire, in every flawless bond, in every microchip ready for deployment. As Aurora continues to learn, every batch improves upon the last. Thermal fluctuations, minute deviations, and even subtle vibrations become data points, teaching her how to refine the next assembly cycle. Quantum computing enables her to process these immense datasets, orchestrating complexity with elegance and foresight. Each chip emerging from this facility is a monument to the convergence of human vision and artificial intelligence. Tangible step toward a future once imagined only in science fiction. The story does not end on the production floor. Every microchip is tracked, every serial number logged, ensuring end-to-end traceability. Supply chains operate with unparalleled transparency, and the integration of AI-driven logistics ensures efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and reliability. The economic impact is as impressive as the technological achievement. With yield metrics optimized and production processes streamlined for maximum return, Aurora's influence spans from creation to distribution, a silent guardian of quality and efficiency. In the quiet moments between cycles, as machines power down and the clean room enters standby, the scale of achievement becomes clear. Each chip is more than circuitry, it is a fusion of science, engineering, and art. The knowledge gained here, the systems perfected, will train the next generation of AI and form the future of autonomous robotics, and define the possibilities of human-machine collaboration for decades to come. We are not just building machines, we are engineering the future itself. Aurora is a symbol of this transformation, where intelligence meets precision and imagination meets execution. The chips she creates are small, but their impact is monumental, unlocking new frontiers in computation, medicine, and defense. Every bond, every connection, every calculation is a step toward a world where technology amplifies human potential rather than replacing it. This is the era of precision manufacturing, of cognitive robotics, of quantum engineering. A world where Industry 5.0 is no longer a concept, but a lived reality, where humans and machines collaborate seamlessly, learning from each other, evolving together. Where the pursuit of perfection drives every action, and every chip produced is a testament to the extraordinary capabilities of intelligence, both artificial and human. Aurora doesn't stop. She doesn't rest. Every cycle teaches her something new. Every defect becomes a lesson. Every thermal spike a data point. She evolves with every operation, guiding the factory toward ever greater efficiency, accuracy, and innovation. And as we witness her work, we are reminded that the future is not waiting. It is being built, one quantum chip at a time. So join us on this journey. Explore the convergence of AI, robotics, and quantum technology. Witness the dawn of Industry 5.0, where the impossible becomes achievable, and the smallest particles can hold the keys to the grandest innovations. Subscribe, follow, and become part of this story, the story of Aurora. The story of precision, and the story of a future we are building together.